Hello Smartizers, this channel is for entertainment only. Please do your own research before applying any of these principles. 6 steps to build a higher credit score. 1. Whether you're just starting to build credit or you already had better credit and now you need to improve your credit score, the shortcut to a higher credit score is a mind and body connection. It's crucial to visualize and self-talk yourself into having a higher credit score. 2. Think of a person you know with amazing credit score. If by default you feel negative emotions of how lucky they are and feel a little jealousy towards them, change your mind immediately and appreciate them. Feel how good they feel having good credit and how easy it is for them to maneuver around the financial world with a higher credit score. Forgive them, love them, encourage them to even have higher credit scores, and most importantly, think of yourself as a person with higher credit score just like them. 3. Close your eyes and imagine your future self that already has a great credit score, and feel all the good feelings that your future self benefits from your now self. Feel how your ability to spend more enables you to afford the next level lifestyle you want to have. 4. Believe that a higher credit score is the fast track to your financial freedom. Believe that you're going to make more conservative choices and put the time and effort to learn how credit works, how good debt can benefit you, and understand sometimes your future employers will pull your credit just to get a glance of your financial character and your habits. 5. Now, we're just going to cover the worst-case scenario here. You judge yourself to see which level you are starting at and continue from there. If you are a person with absolutely no credit or a credit score under 620, you don't really have any choice but to apply for some low-grade credit cards, which require a whole lot of money upfront and offer very little credit amounts, which is not entirely bad. It has its own place, but a great place to start is a subscription to Self-Bank. Self-Credit Builder Bank reports to all 3 credit bureaus, shows you have been approved by them for a loan, and you pay a monthly payment towards the loan amount. Basically, it's a savings account you cannot withdraw from for 24 months, but at the end of the 2-year term, you will get almost all of your money back minus a very small reasonable fee they charge for their service. After 3 on-time payments, you even get a debit card and you can withdraw from the account only if you pay it back on time. Once you have your Self-Bank account, you need to sign up for a free subscription of Credit Karma, which organizes what credit cards you can apply for, what loans are available to you, and enables you to keep track of your credit scores, as well as many other awesome tips and tricks. Once you have your Self-Bank and your Credit Karma accounts, you need to individually go to credit bureaus and open a free account with them as well, so you can dispute any wrongful information that was reported to your credit bureaus. You might have to put multiple dispute orders on one account to eventually get it deleted. Once you have set up your Experian free account, you want to sign up for Experian Boost, which ties your checking account and tracks your bill-paying habits and gives you score points for paying your regular bills, such as utilities and car insurance, and more. Now, take a 10-day period and apply for some secured or unsecured cards. If you have no credit or bad credit, your ultimate goal is to get a Discover It card or a Capital One secured card, which are some of your more reputable choices. Check the description box below for direct links. For those of you who get denied, now it's time to apply for a low-grade credit card and feel good about it. Try to pay the least amount of annual fees and get the most amount of credit, and try to get as many credit cards as you can within the 10-day period. 6. Now that you have a few credit cards and possibly some credit accounts opened up, it's time to develop better spending habits. Remind yourself that you are in a financial rehabilitation period. These credit cards are not for you to spend on leisure or well-justified impulse buys. They are strictly there to improve your credit score. So it's crucial to charge every credit card every month, but you absolutely need to keep the charge amount under 9% of your total credit limit per card. If you mix up your math, worst-case scenario, do not go over 29% of your total credit limit per month and absolutely pay it off on time every month. If you could become an authorized user on somebody else's credit card, definitely go for it. It can help you build credit faster, and it cannot hurt you much, unless the cardholder decides to carry large amounts of debt from month to month, at which point you need to cancel your authorization on that card, so your credit score does not get negatively affected by the cardholder's bad habit. Also, once every 3 months take another 10-day period and shop for new and better credit cards. Once you already have established a few accounts, do not cancel them because you don't want to pay the annual fee, because length of credit history will absolutely help improve your credit score. Consider that annual fee an investment towards a higher credit score. Now, you have a system going. So, continue repeating some of the previous steps, such as trying to delete wrongful information from your credit, as well as ordering better credit cards with cashback rewards and other benefits and low to zero annual fees, while you're keeping your more expensive credit cards just to establish the long history. Keep in mind to continue shopping every 3 months or so for new credit cards, but keep the shopping within a 10-day window that lets the credit bureau algorithms know that you're shopping for similar products, so it does not subtract 1 to 3 points from your credit score for hard or soft inquiries more than once. Now that you have good credit and established elasticity to make better decisions, let's make you a millionaire. Subscribe to our channel and look forward to any future valuable videos about investments and personal growth. Disclaimer: thank you for making your purchase by pressing our affiliate link in the description below. You have enabled us to make a small commission and made it easier for yourself to find the exact products as we recommended. Because of your help to support our channel, we can bring you more valuable information in the future videos. Thank you.